Hi, this is Ajay from Elbus Videos. Today I am going to unbox this USB wireless adapter from Dlink. So let us see. I have bought this product from lazada.com. This is Dlink wireless USB adapter model N150, and it is very handy whenever it comes to connecting your desktop with your Wi-Fi hotspot. So it is a very handy device which can be used for desktop laptops which are not having inbuilt Wi-Fi facility. So let us unbox it. So these are few specifications here. It is N150 model. It is a very basic adapter having this is the model number DWA123 Dlink, and this is the whole model number, and these are a few instructions on the box how we can connect it, and these are few information on the box. So these are few guides, warranty information and quick installation guides. This is a setup CD which can be used for setting up automatically, and this is the device. It's a very small Dlink USB Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, so this is the device you can see, and it's a very small device. Of course, it is not nano adapter because nano adapters are negligibly small. It's not nano one. Yeah, so there is this WPS or reset switch also. And these are information on this. Alright, now go to the computer and let us see how it can be set up. So after successful connection, just open this network connections, and you see this screen, and this screen having all the connections. This is Ethernet, Ethernet 2, and now you see this that is Wi-Fi 2, which is your this Dlink DWA123 wireless N150. So the system has already installed the driver, and you can see the Wi-Fi listed here. Now it is enabled. Now you can select your home's hotspot from here. Like this is my hotspot, and I'll just simply click it and connect. And it is now connected. I did not put any password, that is why it is automatically connected. You might be asked, your system might ask your password to put in here, and then you can connect automatically. So that is how it is working. Now you can check your connection by opening any website. Yeah, it's running fast. You can also check the speed of connection by using this is utility speedtest.net. So this test is running here. You can see the pinging happening here. So download speed is it's 19.72 megabits per second. Yes, and upload speed is 15.57 megabits per second. So it's running good, and you can see the connected button also. So that is how we can install and set up this Wi-Fi dongle. And for more such videos, you can watch Elva's videos, and you can subscribe this channel also. Thank you.